Do you save money with tankless water heater? Reports vary on how much money tankless water heaters actually save. According to Energy Star, they can save $100 or more per year, while Consumer Reports estimate savings to be only $7 to $80 per year. To estimate your savings, think about your family's water usage.